Welcome to the SEO.co Search Engine Optimization Podcast. Digital marketing essentials and next-level tactics. From off-site and on-site optimization to persuasive selling and everything in between. You'll learn actionable tips on what it takes to outright and outrank your competition.
Choosing a cloud-based or an on-premise LMS comes down to preference. A cloud-based solution is easier but perhaps less individualized, while an on-premise LMS is more customizable but requires more in-house IT staff. Features. Finally, there are several features that can distinguish an LMS. Below I will first go through some basic features found in most LMSs. Then I will list some advanced LMS features worth considering. Basic features. User management. Any LMS should allow you to manage users. Users can range from administrators to instructors to learners. Managing them efficiently is key to a good learning experience. Course management. Unless you only plan to deliver one course, you will need to manage multiple courses. You might require employees to take certain classes relevant to their position. Or you might have them advance through courses that build on each other's content. Whatever you do, having a course catalog is important. Progress tracking. Tracking learner progress lets you see where learners are at in their training. This is important data for reporting purposes. By comparing learner progress with business performance, you can measure how effective your e-learning program is. Intuitive interface. Having an interface that is easy to understand is important for any LMS. Users won't want to use the LMS unless it has a user-friendly design. So make sure your LMS is not too complicated for the average user to navigate. Advanced features. Content creation. Some LMSs only help you distribute and deliver e-learning courses. Others allow you to actually design and create custom courses. Ideally, content will abide by SCORM standards so it is compatible across many LMSs. SCORM Shareable Content Object Reference Model is the industry standard format for e-learning courses. Mobile version. A good LMS will offer a mobile version so learners can access it from anywhere. This way, users can learn on the go. Notifications. We all need reminders sometimes. An LMS with notification features helps you keep learners on schedule. Send event-specific push notifications or email reminders to targeted users. Or integrate the LMS with other software like Slack to send out notifications. Gamification. Making the learning experience fun will boost your participation and results. An LMS that can implement games, points, rewards, contests, and leaderboards helps engage and motivate learners. Testing and grading. Without a way to assess students, you will never know if they are learning the skills or retaining the information they need. Testing features let you assess students via multiple choice, short answer, true-false, and other types of questions. Grading features allow you to measure answers to an answer sheet for easy grading. Or you can opt to grade manually. Certification. If you need employees to certify in certain skills, the right LMS can help. Some LMSs allow you to create certification programs quickly and easily so employees can certify to do a particular job. AI. Artificial intelligence. AI has come a long way in the last decade. When integrated with an LMS, AI can give course and format suggestions to personalize learning paths. Just like Netflix and Spotify, your LMS can curate personalized content depending on the learner's needs. Plus, you can use AI for virtual coaches that guide learners along in the curriculum. AI is a valuable feature because it makes work easier for both learners and administrators. Automated admin tasks. With so much administrative work that goes into work training, it's nice to automate some of it away. So choose an LMS that features automated grading and reminders and does other tasks for you. Integration. If you want to be efficient, make sure your LMS can integrate with software you already use. Salesforce, Slack, or calendar integration are just some examples. By integrating with existing business software, an LMS can make your life a lot easier. Microlearning. People have short attention spans. Sometimes they want to take in information in bite-sized chunks. An LMS can design the learning curriculum in a way that learning can take place in shorter spurts. The LMS makes sure training happens in a sequential manner that makes sense, so learners don't need to think about their progress. The language learning app Duolingo is a good example of this. Social learning. Learning is more fun with others. Social learning features like collaboration tools, discussion forums, peer mentorship programs, and competitions are good ways to engage learners. Not everyone likes learning alone, and with the prevalence of social media, it's easier than ever to implement social learning features in e-learning. Support for multiple languages. Having support for multiple languages is especially helpful for big companies that have employees in different countries. This way, you can keep everyone on the same page across different languages. LMSs will vary from one to the next. Just find one that fits your needs. If you realize you only need some basic features, then don't worry about your LMS having everything. However, if you are a growing business, you may benefit from some of the scalable features listed above. Market for learning management systems. There is no denying that learning management systems have become a major part of any business. They are simply the most efficient way to train employees. Not only that, the education and government sectors are seeing huge benefits as well. And these trends will not stop anytime soon. The market for learning management systems is expected to grow from $13.4 billion in 2020 to $25.7 billion by 2025, at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 14.0%. Needless to say, LMSs are here to stay. Working with dev.co. If you want to develop an LMS for your business, custom develop an open source system or optimize an existing one, dev.co is here to help. We can help you make a comprehensive e-learning platform catered to your needs. Our team prides itself in providing custom software development solutions that will help your business thrive. Contact us today to get started.
Thank you for joining us on the SEO.co podcast. We appreciate your time. Be sure to rate, review, and subscribe to the show, and visit SEO.co for more resources based on today's topic, as well as access to more podcast episodes to help you improve your site's long-term SEO success.